Welcome to
It was a Wilton. This map is fine, like every 24 hours. You have it to spice it up sometimes. You don't need 2 times in a row.
Worth fighting
Yeah.
for.
I just don't like the map in general.
Yeah, I think anyone does. The last point's meh, but like, first point's annoying.
The entire thing is just garbage.
I don't mind the last point. Last point's fun.
Like, I used to think Oasis was I hated Oasis with a passion, then I got better at Doomfist and realized, oh fuck, he can do everything on that map. All the time. So I've kind of grown to Oasis a bit. But this is just, nah dude.
Aerial characters on Oasis was really good. Like, Pharah was really good on that map.
Did you just call Doomfist an aerial character by proxy?
Our
Well, I mean, they
world is
can.
Worth fighting for.
I love it.
Guess what you go as Doomfist and you just sort of sit on the roof.
Gather some valuable
And then you slide down and hit E and then an uppercut. And then either you have 2 options an hour, you can shoot them, or you can punch them.
I think it would only be one option. Shoot them. Because the punch is for escape.
attack.
If you got nothing to escape, you're a fucking huge target, easy to kill. Even with the shields. Did you just get running your scrims often, or
Nah.
do you invite me to a team lol?
No more.
I need a Doomfist though.
Not with that attitude, you don't.
5, 4, 3, 2.
What's wrong with
One
having
reason
what's
we-
wrong with having a Doofus?
Because our team doesn't like Doomfist.
What, running against or with?
Both.
That's
And also,
Fistist.
yeah. Do a ground pound and get out.
We don't have a healer.
No, we don't need one.
Why is he here?
Flank character. Why did I get stuck on that fucking thing? Not by a soldier. There goes our soldier. Oh wait. Oh, he's dodging. Ooh.
Healed up.
No, oh, I hit the blaze statue. Damn it. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm here. He's so low that when you...
And they say,
Julie is dead.
hello there.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, I can actually grapple. Yeah.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Soldier. William.
Sorry about that.
Dead.
Fuck, I hate Doofus who's found that.
And Daisy.
Payload is on the way.
Ow. They would've.
Watching.
New plan. I'm best Hanzo. Trust.
I
Trust me.
think I just killed that Doofus.
And Daisy. Soldier behind.
And they say, and they say.
I only hate Doofus who's found that because they're obnoxious
Oh.
and don't have brain cells.
Wait for me.
I mean, no Doomfist do. Look at you. Kidding.
I mean, I have some brain cells.
At least 2. I have at least 2 brain cells. I can confirm.
I have at least 3.
Well,
I can count to 5. Confirmed.
Meteor strike.
You're a fucking moron, Doofus.
I did
Sorry.
it. All me.
Sorry.
Oh shit, there's a soldier behind. Ah. Oh, I thought that'd be something cool. But
The
it didn't
journey
happen.
to Ire is accepting more. Cease your resistance.
Sniper, don't get caught.
Go slow.
Suiting up.
Shit. Oh, thank God for Blade free. He saved my ass. Oh,
If we can touch cart, we can.
Oh!
No one can get on it.
bitch. Just
That could happen.
roll McCree. Just touch cart McCree. What are you doing? No! He just he could have got it. He could have got it. He's been like, nah.
That makes me annoyed.
He had his roll, and he could
Like,
have just rolled the cart, touched it, and then still died. But he just like, nah, I
And
want
they
to.
see, and they see, and they see, and they see.
Sniper, ten cuidado.
Lucy.
See you later.
Oh, soldiers won. Got him. Oh shit, I forgot about that. I forgot they had break.
I am person. And they see,
Did your thing reach us? All me.
Has reached the checkpoint.
Only a close spawn.
payload secure. Move out.
Hi.
Eh? Really? Anyone call for some cold refreshments?
No, soldier.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Game on. Enemy spotted.
Ah shit. I just throw it. Doom behind. Attack behind, Doom.
Payload.
Let's make sure.
That was a really shit blizzard, eh?
Yeah, no, Blizzard's really shit.
Meteor strike.
Come on, come for me.
Oh, he didn't.
You don't get a supercharger right now, man.
What? I hit E! What?
Excuse me, I went to cryo on my screen.
You want to cry on your screen?
I went into cryo.
Cryo. I thought you said I want to
And they
cry on
see,
my
and they
screen.
see.
Everyone is counting on me.
Hello there. Hey there.
I've got oomph.
We need to move the payload.
Ah shit! I've been spotted. No! Damn it! They're chasing me all the way back to spawn.
Sorry.
What is? Our soldier lost 2 health and he just ran around.
And they see, and they see.
We're gonna go back cap. Distraction. I'm going for it.
And they see, and they see, and they see.
I'm moving the payload.
I'm sacked on cart.
I keep my head down. See you later.
Ah shit, I'm dead here. No, I'm not. Haha, I'm alive. There's a diva coming out.
Nice seeing the dude, man.
Thanks, dude. How did the diva not get hit by that? He's a hack. Get more. I can't hack her. You guys got
I'm
this?
just murdering everybody, dude.
Nice.
Victory. Play of the game.
Oh, I feel cheated.
I don't.
Double,
Did you screw him up?
double.
No.
I thought you
Well,
wall
why not
blocked
after?
some of them.
Oof.
Play a few games without me. Gonna do something. I'll be back.
Oh, rip.